and this is my channel. So just an update, we finished watching the series Grimm, and now we're watching the series Arrow. That's on Netflix, and it's I think it's 7 seasons, and they're coming out with their 8th seasons. So I'm so excited. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notification. I upload fashion, jewelry, beauty boxes. I do have a surprise box coming. I'm not sure when it's coming, but it is food related. And thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So today I have a Boxy Premium. I finally got off the wait list. So I'm so excited. Now, as a lot of you know, I'm a big cheater. Certain boxes I don't cheat on, but Boxycharm is one of the ones I cheat on. There's so many different, what do you call them? Like different varieties of them. There's like people get 22, 21, so there's so many different ones of them. So I usually don't get the same as the ones that I watch. So Boxycharm has 3 different boxes. They have your basic box, it's $25. To me, that's kind of hit or miss. Then they have this Boxy Premium, as I said, it's the first one that I received. And from other ones that I've watched, they are awesome. Then every quarter, the Boxy Ultimate comes out. So you don't get your basic box, you get this Ultimate box to replace it. So that one has been very good as well. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. And it comes all nice and pretty. And they always usually have a theme, and this is breaking the ice. And there's a card with everything that's in here. As I said, I've watched a lot of them already, and they've all been good. I haven't seen a bad one. Now, my hair is doing this thing here. I found a great hairdresser, and I think after a month she quit. So now I have to go find a new hairdresser. So my bangs come down to here. So now I have to do this kind of weird look and get a color. So forgive the do. So the first thing, okay, I did see this is Lolita. It's an eyeshadow, and it's a single eyeshadow. And most people are like, I'm not going to use this. I'm going to do a giveaway, because we get so many awesome palettes that the chances of us using a single eyeshadow is slim to none. And I probably will put myself in the group. It is a really pretty color. And of course I can't open it. My packaging skills are like 0. So I think it opens this way. There we go. It actually, I think, matches my sweater. It is a pretty color, so maybe I'll degroup. It is called Lolita, but it is a pretty color, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you use this color if it's just a single shadow? And okay, I can't find it. Oh, Kat Von D Beauty Lolita eyeshadow. This retails for $19. So it's a pretty color. All right, the next thing, this big box here is probiotics and superfoods. You know, they really shouldn't tease a person like me with the word food in it because I think I can eat it. Have a unique ability to calm the look of inflammation. And keep it clear acne foam cleanser. Now my daughter does get acne. The problem with my daughter is she lives in Germany. So for me to ship this to her would be probably very expensive. Keep it clear acne foam cleanser. It is a gigantic. So I just have to tell you a little story about my sweet princess in Germany. So she sent me a picture, and I'm gonna leave it at the end of the video. She sends me pictures of foods that she knows I will not recognize. So she sent me this picture of food, and I was out with friends, and I asked them, I go, what do you think this is? So people are guessing dessert, they're guessing, you know, it's potatoes. So I'm gonna leave it at the end, and I want you to guess what this food is. I never would have guessed it, but a hint is she was in Spain for the weekend. I don't know if that will help you with the picture of this food. So I probably won't use this. I don't really have acne prone skin. So I might put this on Poshmark or Mercari, but it is a nice size bottle. And let's see what this retails for. The Tula Skincare Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. It's a gentle foam cleanser, and it retails for $34. So I bet you it works very nice. And this is one that I saw, and I was hoping that I got it. I think we got this in another box, and I don't know what I did with it. It's the best brow kit ever. Ever. And this is the $1 Billion Brows. And this is what it looks like. The funny thing is, I saved the box from it so I knew how to use it, but I can't find the products inside. So this is what it looks like, and it has the instructions. So in it, it has the Universal Brow Pencil, the Brow Duo Pencil. With the self-sharpening pencil, apply the highlighter on your brow bones to add gorgeous definition for an instant brow lift. Use the concealer and to cover blemishes. Then there's a smudge brush. Blends the Brow Duo Pencil to perfection, and a clear brow gel. So again, it's a really nice kit. I'm not going to take it out because I don't want to lose it again. And the $1 Billion Brow Bestsellers Kit, this retails for $42. Now, I don't know if I mentioned, the basic box is $25, and that box is well worth it. This box is $35 and totally worth it. And then the ultimate box, I'm not sure if that's the name of it, is $49. And they're all worth the price because there's at least one product that pays for the box. So this is a keeper. And the next product is Barcelli Liquid Glass. And I saw somebody unbox this, and they were so thrilled that they got this in their box. And used as a radiating skin serum or as a primer before makeup application, may be applied prior to, mixed with, or layered on top of skincare or makeup for a luminous finish. Caution, for external use only. So I can't remember who was like doing the happy dance that they got this. So it is beautiful. And since I am going to use this, I am going to test it. So I don't know if you can see the color. My goodness, it smells really good. It goes on really, really nice. So I will probably use this as a serum. And it goes on, I don't know if you can see it, it goes on really nice. So that is a keeper. And the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiant Serum, a hybrid skin serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow. And this retails $54. I believe it. As we all know, a lot of these boxes just put the prices way up there. And I believe so far all the prices of these products are spot on. And the next product is Bliss Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. And being the maskaholic that I am, this says smooth a thick layer onto clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 or 15 minutes, rinse thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Warning, pressured container may burst if heated. And this silky souffle mask, aerated with powerful clay, detoxifies. We got, not all of us, I think it was in the basic box, we got the watermelon mask. It was that pretty pink one, and I have been using it. It's a sleep mask. That thing, I think I've used it 3 times, is great. If you got that in your box, I highly recommend using it. And this, I don't know if it's if you spray it on your face, spray it in your hands, but that's what that looks like. Dropping everything. And the Bliss Pore Patrol Mask Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask retails for $18. So for a mask, $18 is not bad. And the last thing in the box, oh my God, did I see somebody open it? Hello, vacation time. Look at the box. I don't know, have I seen a palette? This is the Palm Springs Dreams by Too Faced. I think I did, because I remember people talking about Too Faced. But there's the colors on the back. And of course, I'm opening a box, so you know what that means. Butcher, butcher, butcher. Oh my goodness. And it's got a pamphlet in here. I don't know if I've seen this, but look at the case. Wow. And it's got the hearts on there. Wow. Okay. It's got a mirror that says Too Faced. And, okay, these are colors. Let me know if you received this and if you did a get ready with me so I can see how you did it. I would love to see how you use this because I want to use it. I put on, well, I attempted to put on, I don't even remember what what eyeshadow I used. I had not used, oh, it's the Huvia Place. It was like 6, 8 colors. I used 3 of them and they went on really nice. But again, I have a lot of practicing to do. But this case is great. I love it. As I said, I didn't see a lot of people get it. Let me know if you got it and if you're doing a get ready with me so I can watch it. I will watch as many as are out there. So let's see how much this retails for. Too Faced Cosmetics Palm Springs Dreams Cocktail Party. And if you're gonna have a cocktail party, I'll come to that too. And this retails for $45. And I priced Too Faced and I believe this is $45. And so I got version 31. So let me know if you got version 31. And this box retails for 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 135, 160, 170. This retails for about $215. So I paid $35. And with the exception of this product, I will use every single product. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and the box. And please let me know if you got that Too Faced palette and if you're gonna do a get ready with me, because I wanna learn how to use that palette. So as always, you guys have an awesome day and thanks so much for watching.